Hi guys, this is our fart board sound challenge. Was that the right word?
No.
Hi.
Go!
I don't know what to say!
Welcome to our video!
Hi guys. Hi guys, this is our fart soundboard challenge. I'm Alice.
I'm George.
And I'm Mo.
You're a bit quick off the post now, Mo.
What the fuck?
If no one's seen the video that Grace, Hannah and Mamrie did, whoever picks the fart has got to make the other two laugh, and it can be with either the name or with the actual sound, and whoever laughs first gets drawn on their face.
Or arm.
Or arm, or whatever body part you want that will not get us banned from YouTube. First to 5 wins, and yeah, it's not going to end well. You go first.
Yeah, I'll go first. Okay, the noise I'm going to choose is called macaroni and squeeze. I repeat, macaroni and squeeze.
I was alright with that one. My one is called. She's gone already. She's seen it. It's called toadstool. I repeat, toadstool. You're doing pretty well.
One I picked out is, would you like ketchup?
I would. It's the little area at the end that gets me.
I repeat, would you like ketchup? I'm gonna draw someone, you know?
Great.
You knew that was coming.
The noise I'm going to choose is called Mr. Bubbles.
He's out.
Fuck's sake.
Get your pen out.
Oh my god, what are you gonna do to me?
Who knows? We'll see where it goes. And try to draw an anus.
What the hell? Well, that looks like a sunshine.
It's like a wrinkly hole.
That's a sunshine. Okay, mine. I would like to pick my favourite. I haven't done this one already, have I? No. My favourite. Oprah Wind-Free. I repeat. Oprah Wind-Free. I think I broke him. Give me a face.
Oh shit!
Look at that. Is that not?
What is... Have you actually seen a cat? A cat's whiskers look like 3 gashes down its face.
This one is air biscuit. I repeat, air biscuit. I repeat again, air biscuit. I'm gonna write on her head.
It's up to you, man.
Am I getting a little tiny top?
It's pretty difficult to
really
draw.
little.
I'm going to choose
Please don't do that one.
anus madness.
It's still going!
How long does this go on
No!
for?
It's not stopping! Stop it!
Get something too.
Come on! for this for a long time, haven't
I
we?
don't know what to give you. I gave you herpes. Should I give him a tiny set of balls first? Good fuck! Scrunch your face up again, please. Look.
Okay, this one is a personal favourite of mine. This is donut cream pillar. Moving swiftly on.
Disgusting!
Rectal biz mum.
No. You both look absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna choose Morning Dew. It's horrible.
This one is gas hole. As in gas, as in arsehole, but gas hole. I think that's how you say it.
I think so.
Anyway,
hole.
gas hole. That one.
This one is Forest Dump. I repeat, Forest Dump.
Wet and Wimpy. Wet and Wimpy.
You've cut. I'm sorry, Mum. Okay, this one featured in a Grace, Hannah and Mamrie's video, and I liked it. It's the tuna meltdown. Oh no, sorry, it's the tuna melt madness. Tuna melt madness, everyone. Give me half this.
What does it say?
Justin Bieber.
You are vile. I dislike you.
And that's the truth.
It ain't the truth, don't worry guys.
I think it is.
I think
I'm not gay.
it is. Of course you're not.
That's none of my business.
Prelude to a crap. Repeat. Prelude to a crap. Ah! You're out.
Okay. I love how it's attached to
It's
penis.
you have to keep choosing now because it's out of me and George now.
Feces pieces instead of Reese's pieces. Feces pieces.
What is
It's a
it?
teardrop.
I'm so thug.
This one is the lawnmower. No? Trumpeter, anyone? Marisha, it's the winner then. I wrote peasant on his arm.
That's all folks.
This was our first attempt at a YouTube video.
It ended quite messily.
If you want to see any more, just leave a comment. Like the video. Yeah. We don't tolerate hate here. This is a no hate zone. We're very
Pure
peaceful
banter.
people. It's not pure banter when you tell us
Betasaurus
mean
Rex.
things. We don't tolerate. This is a hate-free zone, guys.
Welcome to the Embassy of Bantarctica.
Please leave.
Banton deck.
I hate you people.
Have you seen the Phantom of the Opera?
The Phantom of the Opera is a really good